All right, Robert, if you're going to help in the kitchen, you're going to have to behave. I'm going to get the ingredients, and you're going to stay right there until I give you further instructions. Okay, first honey, I'm going to place it right over here. Then the second ingredient, olive oil, place it right over here. Then the last ingredient, last but not least, salt. I'm going to put it in the water. Actually, are you serious? I told you to behave and not mess around in the kitchen. Ow! Oh yeah? Uh-oh. Hey, I'm sorry for stepping on you. Is it good? Okay, good.